What up, y'all? Today we got a quick and easy video. We're gonna be doing the headlight bulbs on the 4Runner. Currently they have the regular stock bulbs, halogen bulbs, whatever, and they suck. So I did a little bit of research. There's a specific brand bulb that I put in all my vehicles. Super cheap and it works real well. We're gonna go ahead and put that same bulb in the 4Runner. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the package right now. I gotta get it out the mailbox, do a quick install and show you guys the before and after. It's a super gloomy day here, so it should be pretty easy to see the difference. So let's get into it. The iPhone's night vision or whatever is so good, it makes these headlights look way better than they are in real life. It's currently raining or sprinkling, and I'm in a back road coming back from work, and you can't see a thing. Through the phone I see way more. But this is gonna be a before, I guess. It's gonna be a shitty before, but a before last. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's why you don't listen to the internet. I ended up getting H8, H9, H11, whatever bulbs when I really needed 9006 HB4. So if you have a 2003 V8 4Runner, that's what you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and return these and get the correct ones. So we'll be back with this video in a couple days. See you in a couple days. What up, y'all? Welcome back to the second part of this video. We got the before here. Yes, I put the little Toyota badge in there. I want to show you guys the after I put the headlights in. So unfortunately, the brand I was telling you guys I like about does not have the headlights, the correct bulbs for my low beams, only for the high beams. So I just went with these. It's a two or all-in-one package for lows and highs. So we're gonna see the before and after now. And we got the after shot, boys. Super easy. These are the highs. Just pop them. Look way better. I need to sand that the headlight out, clear it up, but judge it on this one. So we'll do a night driving with these on and see. Alrighty, well this is the after. Unfortunately, the iPhone does too well at nighttime recording. Like, I can't see these clouds in real life right now, but the lights are way better. Obviously they look more updated being an LED as opposed to a halogen. So I would say this mod was worth it. I think I got both high and lows. This is low, that's high, for about $80 so I would say this is almost a must-do, I guess. It updates the front of the vehicle. It look, obviously from LED to halogen, it looks a lot more updated, as well as it works a lot, you see a lot clearer on the road. So I would say this is a good one. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna try to upload more this month to honor Vlogmas. So thank you guys for watching, and like if you like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.